So I get this very lovely notice today. I checked my GA3 account after a while, so here it is. Let's see what we can do with this. Learn more takes you to that, dismiss. My goodness, I don't want to dismiss anything from Google these days. It can get very interesting. Let's go to manage GA4 migration. Let's see what happens. Oh, so I can go to an existing GA4 property. Does that exist? Well, let me go to my GA4 property. I thought I had set it up all cleanly and everything. Let's go. Oh my goodness. 0 out of 12 complete? What's going on? I got conversions, I got audiences. Oh, you want me to bid on GA4 conversions, do you? Nice. I'm not doing that. Why should I? 0 out of 12 complete. That's not nice. I did everything. Import data. I don't need to import data. I don't need to set up user ID. Let's see. Well, no, I'm not marking as complete, but what? Really? I can actually do that myself? Oh, let's see. Maybe, but you know what? If you take me to my property, you might as well. You might as well mark it complete, whatever is working, right? Well, for those of us who will see this 0 to 12 mark complete, this is what I was alluding to. Go here, start marking stuff as complete, okay? This is ridiculous. Come on. Look, it's all working now. It's all working. And by the way, conversions don't import from Universal Analytics unless it's very basic like destination goals, okay? Stuff can get really bad very quickly. Audiences, okay. I don't know about this importation from Universal Analytics. Anybody on this? Please comment, post a video if you want, anything. It's really helpful. But yes, go ahead and mark your stuff complete. Give yourself a pat on the back if you've done it already. And those who have not exported or not gone into creating GA4, please use this warning as a way to do this. This setup assistant is fairly basic, but it does stuff, okay? And it does what you need. It will set you up with a basic setup. You will probably, if you're just starting out, you'll need to get the data stream running, which is nothing else but the UA code, really, okay? And for those of you who are just getting started, well, the way to get that data stream, that JavaScript code, isn't to go into property settings like it used to be. You go into a data stream, you go right here, then you go view tag instructions, and then you go into install manually, and there you have it, okay? Now, you can use any of these, okay? You can do it. I don't. I'm going through to use Google Tag Manager all the time. Much easier that way, in the long run. In the short run, you'll feel, why do I need to use GTM? But in the long run, it will work. And there's enough instructions these days. There's a lot of stuff being built out. So go ahead, please. This is uh, about time to do this now. Okay. Please don't wait. You need to have actionable data as quickly as you want in GA4. Okay. So do it now. Don't hesitate. Go for it. It'll take you. Okay. So it'll take you about. I've done this. So it'll take you about 10, 15, 20 minutes to get the basic setup done. Really, it's that quick. But the more expensive work, well, it'll take a little time. But get started. Okay, this is, well, we're talking February. you might think, oh, it's going to be disabled on July 1st. I got time. You do, but you don't have time to, if you're looking at any data, you're tracking trends. You really need this. Okay? So go for it.